Hello everyone, welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to continue chapter 10 Array Applications Sort and Search. The object of my today's topic is you will learn insertion sort. Students, please open your book at page number 231. Insertion sort. Insertion sort is also used for arranging the array elements in a proper order. It can be ascending or descending order. The principle of insertion sort for arranging an unordered list in ascending order is: number 1. Pick an element and find its suitable position on its left. Number 2. Insert the element by right shifting the other elements by one place. Number 3. Repeat the process for elements in second to the last position. Let us do it with the help of an example. Suppose we are having the list 85, 25, 10, 70, 60, 35. Now, according to the first process or first step, I have to pick any one element from this list. So, I have picked element number 1, that is 25. Now, 25 is at the first position. Rest of the list is 85, 10, 70, 60, 35. Now, the second element, that is 10, means the smallest element. I will pick 10 and I will shift this element at its position, that is the first position, as this is the smallest element in the list. Now I will shift rest of the numbers to the right. So 10 will come at index number 0, then 25 at 1, 85 at 2. In this way, all the elements are shifted to its right position by one place. Now in the next step, the second element is, that is, we have to pick a 70. So 70 is inserted at its position, that is index number 2. And the rest of the elements are shifted towards right side. Then the next element 60. Then 60 at its position, the same position, and the rest of the elements are shifted towards the right. So this process is repeated every time till we get the list in a sorted order. Now let us understand this concept with the help of a BlueJ program. Now here in BlueJ I am going to show you the program of insertion sort. So I have named the class as insertion sort and click on OK. Then double click on it to open my BlueJ editor. Maximize the screen, and now here Control A, and I will type my coding. Public class insertion sort. Then in the next line I will write down int r a, then bracket, then it is, let us suppose my elements are 85, 25, 10, then 70, then 60, then 35. Okay, I'll do this program with the help of the functions so that it becomes more clearer to you. Int n equals to 6, that is the number of elements. Now I will write my function void Fn, let it be any function. Sorry, here it is. Void Fn, it is a function name, and then I will type my coding for bracket start int p is equals to 1, p less than is equals to n, then p plus plus. This is the outer loop, and in my outer loop I will take an element named int LP is equals to 0, means lowest position. Now here second loop I'm taking is your while loop. While RA, then LP means the lowest position element is less than the next element that will come in the list, then it will move LP plus plus, because we have to increase the position of the each element by 1. So this LP gives the position of insertion. Now we will take temporary variable in which we will store our P element. That is the element whose position we are going to swap. Now here the next loop now this loop is for shifting the rest of the elements towards the right. P minus 1 k greater than is equals to LP, then k minus minus. Okay, because now we are going to do the right shift. So here we will write down RA bracket k plus 1 is equals to RA, then in bracket k. So in this way our elements will be shifted, and now the element at the LP position, means lowest position, will be 10. That is our temporary variable. Now we will print our array after sorting. System.out.println, then the elements in ascending order after insertion sort are, and then we will close it, and then we will write our loop for bracket int r is equals to 0, r less than equals to n minus 1, r plus plus, and then we will print system.out.println, then in bracket r plus, to leave the space in between, like this, and we will close our function, and then my class will be closed. Now it's time to compile our program. Now click on compile, class compiled, minimize it, right click over here, new object will be created. Okay, then right click, void function, and see the elements in ascending order: 10, 25, 35, 60, 70, 85. Students, please note over here that in this loop you have to take n minus 1, because we are starting with the first element. Okay, so to practice this program on BlueJ, Also practice all the sorting and searching techniques programs on BlueJ.